In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Manychat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're diving into Manychat for the first time or brushing up your skills, this quick walkthrough will have you set up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Manychat's website. You'll want to begin by signing in, so click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the home page. If you haven't created an account yet, this would be an excellent opportunity to do so. However, for today's purposes, let's assume you already have one. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat homepage. This is essentially your dashboard where you can see an overview of all your bots and automation. Familiarizing yourself with this dashboard is crucial as it serves as the control center for everything you'll be managing. Next, navigate to the Home tab. The Home tab is your main hub for accessing different features, ensuring you're always just a click away from getting back to your primary control screen. From there, locate and click on the Automation option. Automation is the heart of Manychat, allowing you to set up sequences, rules, and messages that will run on autopilot. Think of it as setting the stage for your customer interactions. Now, to create something new, click on New Automation. This option will open up a space where your creativity can come to life. It's where you design the workflows and sequences that allow your bot to engage with users. Don't worry if it seems complex at first, it gets easier with practice. When you start setting up your new automation, you'll be prompted with options. Click on Start from Scratch. This choice gives you a blank canvas and the freedom to design your flow exactly as you envision it. Starting from scratch also helps build a better understanding of how each element functions. Finally, after you've crafted your flow, click on Preview. This is a crucial step. Previewing allows you to experience the journey as your users would, highlighting any issues or tweaks that need addressing before going live. It acts as a safety net to ensure that your bot runs smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully tested Manychat, opening up a world of potential for your automated marketing efforts. Remember, the best way to master Manychat is through consistent practice and exploration of its features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to help elevate your Manychat game.